complete what you call the column with the different department and identification of that. Sir, with your permission, I want to invite the three girls and honor them with salt. Please, the three students, may we name you? Vidya? Yeah, Vidya, Varsha and Soumya. I take the opportunity, my director can honor them. Salt to that my student.
देखो इनकी तो असल में ब्याह करना है।
यार कहीं पंखा उनका चल रहे हैं उधर बैठते हैं।
Yeah, within couple of minutes I completed my talk, sir. Sir, director sir, this university started in 2009. Then our chief minister correct. So we have that only once. Teachers common for all the students. Other festivals are from each state. Totally, if I am right, there are about 8 festivals we celebrated this year. So we can see the different culture, different tradition, and join us from that different state. Really, we are proving that we are the real diversity of students living together in this campus. Sir, our program, actually it should start first, then other programs should come. But what they feel that after seeing everything, they want to have a common program like Aarambh. Now they are celebrating. They have a lot of programs, cultural programs. They go to eat. And as I told them, we have to hand over the campus at 9 o'clock to the NEET group. So, thank you very much for giving the wonderful opportunity to give the present directors for this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for that visionary message. The journey of a student isn't just guided by books, but it also by the silent support for those who keep the way of the institution moving.